Bow window installation. West Jordan, Utah is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our expert bow window contractors in West Jordan provide top-notch bow window services, ensuring a seamless installation process. With a variety of bow window styles available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Custom bow windows. West Jordan, Utah offer a unique opportunity to personalize your living space. Our bow window specialists in West Jordan work closely with you to create custom designs that reflect your style and meet your needs. From energy-efficient bow windows to innovative bow window solutions, we provide a range of options to suit every preference. Energy-efficient bow windows. West Jordan are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our bow window experts in West Jordan, Utah offer a selection of energy-efficient materials and designs that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. With our bow window consultation services, you can explore the best options for your home. Bow window replacement. West Jordan is a straightforward process with our experienced team. We provide comprehensive bow window quotes in West Jordan, Utah, to help you understand the costs involved. Our bow window contractors in West Jordan ensure a hassle-free replacement, enhancing your home's value and curb appeal. Bow window replacement. West Jordan is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our bow window maintenance services in West Jordan, Utah include regular inspections and repairs to keep your windows in top condition. Trust our bow windows West Jordan experts to handle all your repair needs efficiently. Bow window design in West Jordan, Utah is all about creativity and functionality. Our bow window specialists in West Jordan, Utah offer innovative design solutions that enhance your home's interior and exterior. With a focus on the latest bow window trends in West Jordan, Utah, we ensure your windows are both stylish and practical. Bow window cost in West Jordan, Utah varies depending on the materials and design chosen. Our bow window quotes in West Jordan, Utah provide a detailed breakdown of expenses, helping you make informed decisions. Whether you're interested in bow windows, West Jordan upgrades, or new installations, we offer competitive pricing to fit your budget. Bow window West Jordan benefits extend beyond aesthetics. Our bow window enhancements in West Jordan, Utah improve natural light, increase ventilation, and add space to your home. With our bow window options in West Jordan, you can enjoy a more comfortable and inviting living environment.